Thank you. I guess I'd better offer you We Real Cool. Most young people know me only by that poem. I wrote it because I was passing by a pool hall in my community one afternoon during school time, and I saw therein a little bunch of boys, I say here in this poem, 7, and they were shooting pool. But instead of asking myself, why aren't they in school, I asked myself, I wonder how they feel about themselves. The pool players, 7 at the Golden Shovel. We real cool, we left school, we learn late, we strike straight, we sing sin, we then gin, we jazz June, we die soon.